Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My brother's not gonna be joining me anymore because he doesn't want to, and he's watching a movie right now. But anyways, if you hear background noise, that's him watching TV. So sorry about that, guys. Today, by the title, as you can see, we are going to reviewing slime from bad to good. I guess I don't even know how many slimes I have, but we're just gonna go. Okay, so the first bad one was actually it was really bad. It was like plastic, and we kind of already threw it away because it smelled so bad. I don't know. Don't ask me. I don't know, but it smelled like fish, like dead fish. Oh no! But the next bad one, it was gross. But next one is this one. I kind of left it out, and so it's not stretchy anymore, and it has some little foam beads in it, and I'm mad because look, it doesn't even that's hard, y'all. That is hard. Okay, but my next one, oh, you forget bad to good because I'm just gonna go and just So this next one is this is a really glossy slime, so it smells weird, but I don't feel like taking it out, but it's pretty, and I'm trying to go fast, but here's a purple one. It smells like cucumber because I use face masks, but it's really pretty and purple, and yeah. This next one's probably one of my favorites. It's like a pretty. It's a really pretty, blue one, and it's just perfect consistency and everything. Okay, next one is this brown one. I don't know why it's brown, but it's brown. Comment down below if you have any names for any of these slimes, okay guys? So, yeah, my camera won't focus, but yeah, that's that, and I dropped it off. Oh gosh, I'm about to run out of time. Okay, next one is this one. It's like a butter slime, and I love it so much. See?
You see?
Okay. Next one.
She's the big
This actually is like a shout out one because my friend Bonnie, she gave this to me.
Oh, wow.
Actually on our field trip, and so I still have that. Next one is a clear one. Oh my gosh, not really much to see. And then this very last one is this pink one, and it's glossy. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I promise I'll make it longer next time. Thank you guys so much. Subscribe down below, hit that like button. Thank you guys, bye.